Product Introduction. SCQ T200 Bridge Construction Machine. Developed by the China Construction Advanced Technology Institute. It is a specialized equipment designed for the cantilever cast-in-place construction of continuous beam bridges. The machine features core functions such as intelligent center of gravity adjustment, automatic continuous travel, and smart formwork control. It is characterized by high load capacity, superior anti-tipping stability, and efficient, highly automated maneuvering. By significantly reducing manual labor requirements, the entire system demonstrates the top-tier level of automation. To a great extent, it eliminates the traditional dependence on workforce size and skill levels in continuous beam cantilever construction. Go we, together go further.